Don't forget to subscribe, and turn the notifications. We upload daily. And check the source of this video to view all the images and videos if there was any. Democrats have been all abuzz this week over the verdicts in the Manafort and Cohen cases. They seem to believe that those rulings mean that they can now move forward on impeaching President Trump. Personally, I think they are seriously mistaken and are deluding themselves. The Manafort verdict had nothing to do with Russian collusion at Trump. The Cohen verdict didn't either, other than a man known to be dishonest alluding to campaign fund issues involving Trump. It still doesn't transfer to President Trump or mean much of anything. There is still no Russian collusion, and there has never been a smidgen of proof that there was any. President Trump has made it clear that he sees this all as a witch hunt, and so do I. Trump is questioning how he could be impeached when he's made great strides in improving economic conditions. You know, I guess it says something like high crimes and all. I don't know how you can impeach somebody who has done a great job, Trump said, responding to a question from Fox News' Ainsley Earhardt, who asked if he believes Democrats would try to impeach him if they win back control of Congress. My bet is they would, if for nothing else to obstruct everything Trump is trying to accomplish and to tarnish his presidency. If I ever got impeached, I think the market would crash. I think everybody would be very poor, Trump said. You would see numbers that you wouldn't believe. I actually agree with this statement, and I think it would be far worse than that. Trending: Trump just made huge move after Molly's life brutally taken by illegal alien. Trump thinks he deserves an A+ for his performance as president so far, and again, he has accomplished a great deal. So, it's hard to argue with that unless of course you don't like President Trump or disagree with his policies. He has successfully appointed Justice Neil Gorsuch to the Supreme Court and has now put forward Brett Kavanaugh, who is pretty much a sure bet for the High Court. I give myself an A+. I don't think any president has ever done what I have done, Trump said. We haven't even been 2 years. Biggest tax cuts in history. Soon to be 2 unbelievable Supreme Court justices. I'm sure that Justice Kavanaugh will be approved. Justice Gorsuch has been a star. You look at all the things we have done with regulations, the economy is the best it has ever been in history. The only thing I'm doing badly in is the press doesn't cover me fairly, Trump said. It's hard to argue with that statement. One of my favorites, Andrew Klavan, had this to say over at the Daily Wire. Let me tell you just one thing, if these guys think that they for 50 years can insult people they meet in the middle of this country, the entire heartland of this country, and tell people their culture stinks, and tell people their religion stinks, and tell people their flag is worth disrespecting, and go out and send our president out to apologize for America, and tell us America needs to be fundamentally transformed, and then, after 50 years of this treatment, people finally get angry enough that they're willing to break their own rules and elect Donald Trump. If they think they're going to pull a coup on this president with campaign finance violations, good luck. I hope they try it, because I think first they'll be tarred and feathered, I really do, and I think secondly people are going to turn out. The big thing that they have in these upcoming midterm elections is that Republicans may not be smart enough to turn out. The Democrats are supercharged, they're angry as they can possibly be, and they're going to show up, but are the Republicans going to show up? The Republicans are saying things like, well, I don't like this candidate here in my district cause he's not like Trump, but he's the guy who's gonna stop the impeachment hearings. Whoever that Republican is, you gotta vote for him because he's the guy who's gonna stop this from turning into nonsense. The other thing with the GOP is Donald Trump is more popular among black people than just about anybody, and for good reason. He has improved the lives of Americans with dark skin more than any Democrat has ever done, really, he really has. The economy is doing great for black Americans, and the only problem is the Democrats have built a machine for turning out black votes. They pay off preachers, they pay off politicians in bad neighborhoods to bring the people out and bust them out. If the Republicans leave that card on the table, if they leave those votes on the table, they will suffer in the midterms. I think there is a strong chance that all of what is occurring will make President Trump stronger and even more unbeatable. We'll see. But by pointing out the obvious that without what Trump has done with taxes and regulations, the country would be poorer, the president makes his case on why he should stay at the helm. If Trump were impeached, not only would the stock market crash, it would drop a crushing anvil on the Dems who are demanding his impeachment because it would tear the fabric of this country apart. Klavan is right here. If the Dems move forward with their strategy, it could get them tarred and feathered politically. I think middle America and the majority of Americans would not stand for impeachment with all the good things that President Trump has done since he's been in office. He's been hounded and persecuted since day one. What the Democrats are doing is not hurting Trump, it's making his presidency historic.